नमस्ते। द हिंदी विद रीनू चैनल में आपका स्वागत है और मैं हूं आपकी शिक्षिका रीनू। सो वी आर going to do here daily use words. Earlier we saw first part, in that we saw some words that is regular routine, morning routine words. Now we are going to do some words related to shopping and some words around the home, you see, day to day words. So, before moving forward, if you didn't subscribe it, subscribe the channel now and go watch first part as well. Now we are going towards the second part. So let's start. शुरू करते हैं. Now these are shopping and market related words. The first word is shop, दुकान. Store and shop we call it दुकान, दुकान. ये फेमिनिन वर्ड है. दिस इज अ फेमिनिन वर्ड. दिस शॉप इज वेरी बिग. ये दुकान बहुत बड़ी है. ये दुकान बहुत बड़ी है. वी आर सेइंग बड़ी बिकॉज इट इज फेमिनिन वर्ड. ये फेमिनिन वर्ड है. अदरवाइज इफ इट इज समथिंग एल्स, मैस्कुलिन वर्ड, वी विल से बड़ा. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज प्राइस. प्राइस, भाव या कीमत. भाव या कीमत. So, bhav is a masculine word and कीमत is a feminine word. I am telling you one sentence with the word bhav, price, and you will write a sentence in the comment box with the word कीमत, that is feminine word. What is the price of this? इसका क्या भाव है? इसका क्या भाव है? So write me in the comment box how to say the word कीमत instead of bhav, then how this sentence will be framed. Next word is money. पैसा, पैसा. पैसा चाहिए, मुझे पैसा चाहिए. Everyone needs money. Now see the sentence. I don't have enough money. Oh, I have. मेरे पास पूरे पैसे नहीं हैं. So when you are in the market and you are buying something, purchasing something, and you don't have enough money, so you can say this sentence, oh, I can't buy it because मेरे पास पूरे पैसे नहीं हैं. Then next word is cheap, सस्ता, सस्ता, and its feminine version would be सस्ती. So सस्ता, सस्ती. These tomatoes are cheap. ये टमाटर सस्ते हैं. ये टमाटर सस्ते हैं. Do you know the opposite word of सस्ता? If you know, write me here. Oh, we have opposite here. Expensive, महंगा, महंगा. And if it is the feminine version, it is महंगी, महंगी. Now the sentence, these mangoes are expensive today. आज, not these actually, the mangoes are expensive today. Or costly is also the same word. आज आम महंगे हैं. आज आम महंगे हैं. So how you say this sari is costly or this sari is expensive? Write me in the comment. Next word is buy, means खरीदना. Same word as purchase. Purchase means also खरीदना. Now the sentence is I want to buy some vegetables. मुझे थोड़ी सब्जी खरीदनी है. और मुझे कुछ सब्जी खरीदनी है. So many just think what is the pronunciation like here, z or j. So in India we do not, it will not matter that much. We say sometimes sabji, sometimes we say sabzi. Although I am making a video for pronunciation, so soon you will see that. Then sell, बेचना, बेचना. She is selling fruits. Oh, there is a tongue twister also about seashell or something. Can you tell me that? So she is selling fruits. वो फल बेच रही है. वो फल बेच रही है. Vegetable, sabzi, as we discussed in one sentence. So vegetable, sabzi, or you can say sabji also. And you will see in India people say sabzi and sabji both. The cart is full of vegetables. Cart is ठेला, ठेला. So ठेला सब्जियों से भरा है. ठेला सब्जियों से भरा है. Or I also can say ठेला सब्जियों से भरा हुआ है. Some of my student knows like why to say भरा or भरा हुआ. So if you are one of them, write me in comment box. Market, bazaar, everyone knows this. Market is bazaar. Let's go to the market. चलो बाजार चलते हैं. मेरा favorite sentence है. Now some words around the house that we use in day to day. The first one is sofa. Sofa. The sofa is very comfortable. Sofa बहुत आरामदायक है. आरामदायक means comfortable, and in other series I am doing some word meaning. There was this word already, आरामदायक, comfortable. So if you didn't watch that series, I am just giving some links in the comment box, or you can go and watch. Next word is door, darwaza. Again here z or j sound. So soon we'll make some videos about these things. Darwaja people say, and darwaza as well. Darwaja or darwaza. Please close the door. कृपया दरवाजा बंद कर दो. So कृपया word is not used that much here in India. In day-to-day language we do not use कृपया. In very 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 formal language we can use the word कृपया as please. Otherwise at home usually we say दरवाजा बंद कर दो. Can you tell me the other more formal version of बंद कर दो? If you know, just tell me. Window, खिड़की. खिड़की. ओपन द विंडो. खिड़की खोल दो. खिड़की खोल दो. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, बिजली. बिजली. और in India you will see colloquially people call it as light also. Light also. Then the electricity is gone. बिजली चली गई और लाइट चली गई. है is like you can use or you can skip. बिजली चली गई है, लाइट चली गई है. How you say the electricity is back? Fan, पंखा. Fan, पंखा. Turn on the fan, switch on the fan. पंखा चला दो, please. Air conditioner, AC. We call AC in day to day as it is the short form just. AC, the AC is not working. AC काम नहीं कर रहा है. AC काम नहीं कर रहा है. How you say the freezer is not working? Floor, फर्श. फर्श. The floor is clean. फर्श साफ है. फर्श साफ है. Roof, छत. And terrace is also छत. Terrace. When you say terrace, that is also छत. So we went to the roof. हम छत पर गए. हम छत पर गए. Chair, कुर्सी. कुर्सी is again feminine word. This chair is broken. ये कुर्सी टूटी हुई है. In my classes I told you about broken. So one meaning of broken is like टूटा हुआ and टूटी हुई. What is the other meaning I told you in the class? And if you don't know, ask me in the comment. I will reply. Bed, बिस्तर. Although in colloquial language we mostly say bed. Make the bed. बिस्तर ठीक कर दो. बिस्तर ठीक कर दो. Now subscribe कर दो. Just subscribe. So how to say? Please subscribe. We say subscribe कर दो और subscribe कर दीजिए. So if you are new, just subscribe the channel and share it to the needy people who are learning Hindi, not just Hindi, who are learning English also. They can also watch the videos. These are very helpful for them as well. Okay, so for more interesting videos, just subscribe my channel and see you soon. जल्दी मिलेंगे. नमस्ते जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.